Mangal Pandey, who was an Indian soldier and widely regarded as the hero in modern India, who played the key parts in the events of the preceding outbreak in the rebellion of 1857.
ये आजादी की लड़ाई है गुजरे हुए कल से आने वाले कल के लिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Sarojini Naidu, the nightingale of our nation, and an independent activist and a poet.
We want deeper sincerity of motive, a greater courage in speech, and honestness in action. Jai Hind.
Chandrasekhar Azad, who was popularly known as Azad, his fierce patriotism and courage inspired others of his generation to enter the freedom struggle.
दुश्मनों की गोलियों को सामने हम करेंगे। आजाद रहे, आजाद रहेंगे। वंदे मातरम।
Bhagat Singh. The name Bhagat Singh is synonymous with sacrifice, courage, vision, and bravery. By sacrificing his life at the age of 30, he became an inspiration, a symbol of heroism.
इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद। सरफरोशी की रोना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल है।
Annie Besant, who was a British social reformer and a direct campaigner for women's rights, she was also a supporter of Indian nationalism.
Better remain silent. Better not even think. If you are not prepared to act, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he was an important person in the independence of our nation. He was very fond of children. The children called him Chacha Nehru. He was the author of a famous book named Discovery of India.
Failure comes when we forget our ideals, principles and objectives. वफादार और कुशल महान कारण के लिए कार्य करते हैं। भले ही उन्हें तुरंत पहचान न मिले, अंततः उसका फल मिलता है। जय हिंद, जय भारत। वेरी गुड।
Subhash Chandra Bose, known as Netaji, and he was a fierce freedom fighter in the political horizon in pre-independence India. He was elected as the president of the Indian National Congress in the year 1937 and 1939. He was jailed 11 times in the year 1920 and 1941.
It is our duty to pay for our liberty with our own blood. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। जय हिंद।
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, popularly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, he was one of the architects in the Indian Constitution. He was an eminent jurist. His efforts is to eradicate the social evils like the caste restrictions and untouchability were very remarkable. The leader throughout his life is to fall with the rights of the Dalits and the socially backward classes.
Our battle is not for wealth, not for power. It is for freedom. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Mahatma Gandhi, called Mahatma because of his great works and greatness through all his life. He was a non-violence activist and a non-violent freedom fighter. Throughout the Salt Satyagraha began on 12 March 1930 and was an important part of the Indian independence movement. It was a non-paying tax and non-violence movement against the British salt monopoly in colonial India. Mohandas Karamchand ji led the Dandi began from his base Sabarmati Ashram near Ahmedabad to the coastal village of Dandi in the state of Gujarat. His 24-day-long, 240 miles, 319 kilometers march is to produce the salt without paying tax. And in the march, he did not pay a tax.
ऐसे जियो कि तुम मरने वाले हो, ऐसे सीखो कि तुम जीने वाले हो।
Vallabhbhai Patel, his brave deeds earned the title the Iron Man of India. For the role of him in the Bardoli Satyagraha, he came to be known as Sultan Vallabhbhai Patel. He was a lawyer but gave up his practice to fight with the British to get a free India.
There is something unique in this soil, which despite many obstacles, has always remembered the whole of great souls. Jai Hind!
Bahadur Shah Zafar. He was the 17th and the last Mughal emperor. After the death of him, the Mughal empire was flourished. He wrote some ghazals in Urdu. They lost him in the rebellion of 1857. After the defeat of him, he said, "गाजियों में बू रहेगी तलक इमाम की, चाहे लंदन ए तखत तक चलेगी तेग हिंदुस्तान की."
ना किसी की आँख का नूर हूँ, ना किसी की दिल का तनूर हूँ, जो किसी काम न सके मैं मुझसे गुबार हूँ।
At the end, I would like to conclude in the words said by Lal Bahadur Shastri is, we believe in peace and peaceful development, not only for ourselves, for the people of the whole world. Thank you.
Thank you for bringing up the famous words by famous personality. Mother, a person who does a work of 20.